Okay, what do we have today?
So I'm too tall for most airline seats, and your pressure sensor is probably too tall for your next wearable design. There's not an easy solution to my problem, but there is for yours thanks to TE connectivity. The MS5840-02BA is an ultra-compact pressure sensor designed for altimeter and barometer applications with a ceramic metal package that measures just 1.7 millimeters tall. Inside is a high-linearity MEMS pressure sensor and a 24-bit ADC with factory-calibrated coefficients, providing pressure and temperature values with high resolution and accuracy. It utilizes a gasket or O-ring to provide a water-resistant seal, and the stainless steel lid is filled with a black silicone gel that protects the sensor against water and contaminants. It's also designed with integrated shielding and an option for chlorine resistance. The MS5840-02BA operates from 300 to 1200 millibar and -20 to +85 degrees Celsius. It draws just 0.6 microamps from a 1.5 to 3.6 volt supply, and current consumption drops below 0.1 microamps in standby.